Hello? John the Baptist did not become a good and faithful man overnight. Kung sino si Juan, hindi automatic yun. His strength, courage, and holiness were shaped quietly through the years by the loving guidance and faith of his parents, Zechariah and Elizabeth. They taught him to listen to God, to trust, and to remain faithful simula nung bata pa siya. Hindi automatic. My dear sisters and brothers, the same is true in our relationship with God. Faith does not grow automatically. It is formed and deepened through constant prayer, regular participation in the Holy Mass, and daily choosing God in small ways. Hindi automatic. Effect? When trials come, we may cry, but we do not give up. Why? Because we already know God. We know His faithfulness, His power, and His love. And that knowledge, which we develop through the years, gives us the strength to keep going. Alam niyo, nung ako'y nasa grade 3 pa, sinusundo ako ng tatay ko every 5 p.m. Exactly 5 p.m. Isang araw, hindi siya dumating sa 5 p.m. So of course, grade 3, umiyak na. 5:50 na, 5:30 na, wala pa rin si tatay. And nag-alala na yung teacher ko. Sabi niya, ako na lang maghahatid sa iyo kasi madilim na. Imagine, nasabi ko ito, grade 3 at that. Pero I was already crying. Sabi ko, Ma'am, huwag niyo kong ihatid. Kasi alam ko, dadating ang tatay ko. Susunduin niya ako. That's it. Gets?